There is something about owning a home bar. It gives a special atmosphere. It's also an invitation to drink. And who doesn't like that? But not everyone has the space and time to build one. It's time that changes. But the question is, how can a home bar become portable enough that it can fit on your dining room table? Introducing MyBar, the world's first personal electronic alcohol dispenser. MyBar is not just a drinks dispenser. It's an experience designed to give you a feeling of awe whilst being practical. MyBar measures so you don't have to. Precision pouring so you know you are getting the exact amount. And wow factor to turn heads. With 48 individual LEDs, it gives the feeling of owning a mini bar in one device, which can be wall mounted. The LEDs are color-coded to different pour sizes to add vibrance to your drink-making experience. So, whether you are serving shots for friends, winding down after a hard day's work, or mixing up a cocktail, MyBar has got you. MyBar is your bar.